Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you for tuning in. I am so happy to bring this video to you. This is of my Walmart haul. I did some shopping and they had an incredible sale at Walmart. They had the Halloween decorations, costumes, fall decor. Oh, I was just over the top with excitement. So I'm bringing some of my buys to you today so you can see. And so let's get started. And at the end of this video, I hope you will like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Well, let's go first with the pumpkins. As you can see, they're in all shapes and sizes. These pumpkins are right now at 75% off. Some of them were as low as 25 cents. The little smaller ones. Let me go in on that and show you here. And move around to the big ones. These were such a nice buy. And I'm going to show you the little table decor right here. And this has a little burlap bottom to it. I just love it. And some little pumpkins. This actually, it was a great little buy. And I'm going to move on with the second little table decor, and this one here, it has the little pumpkin at the bottom of it, and let's hold it up. Sunflower seeds. It is just adorable. Again, 75% off. And these actually, you can do a little crafting with these. You can kind of add a little bit more flowers if you like, whatever you choose to do. And here we have another little orange pumpkin, which I adore. And for this one right here, I like that they had the little beads going down on that, and that was really cute. And they're in different colors, as you can see. And then we have the black pumpkin with the gold stem top, and this one was actually $12.98 with 75% off. And it's a good size. I want to put it at about 7 inches maybe. And I really love that. And this little black pumpkin is kind of soft and has a little burlap top. And it's black. It's really cute. And then they had the little flowers, and these have the black stems. They're great for Halloween. And this little pumpkin right here, which is also about maybe, like I said, 7 inches, this one, and it has the little beads going across it. It's I guess you could remove it if you didn't like the beads. I like the beads and the different little colors that kind of go down with it. And this right here is a vase. I'm going to hold this up and let you see. Here, another tabletop. And this has a little metal base, or that base of it that you can set it in, a little metal can there. Real decorative. That's really, really cute. And I want to show you this right here. this is, well, once I get the little, well, let's go with the little stick man here, and let's get them up. They were really cute. Let's go with them. These are really cute. And here's another one. And they're kind of small, but they're so cute. You could like stick them in a little flower arrangement. And they had different ones actually too. And they have the little stick that you can already attach that you can stick it in with. And that's the stick, and you can stick it in. What I was showing you was I love this little welcome basket. And what I'm going to do is just hang it right here so you can get a good look at it. And it has the little welcome on the front of it. It is really nice. I really love this one. And welcome on a little metal framework there. And I'll show you that. And I really like that. And so let's go back around, and I'm going to go to the little wooden tabletop little decor here. And I'm going to hold it up so you can, this is the top of it. And I'm going to hold it up so you can get a look at the wood vase at the bottom of it. And it's like a little table topper. It's really cute. And again, you could add to this. And I'm going to go around and I'm going to show you this little kind of braided, I don't know what you would call this, almost like it makes me think of bamboo. I don't know that it is bamboo, but it does make me think of that. And I'll lift it up so you can see the bottom of it. It has a little opening, but I wouldn't recommend putting a candle in there. Some people might. Well, you could put a fake candle in there. Definitely don't put a live candle in there, but you could definitely put a fake candle in there, or run just like some of the little lighting, battery operated. That would be great. And light it up. And I'm going to move to the little wire one. Let me see if I can kind of pull it up so you can get a better look at that. And it's another little table piece, and I'm going to hold it up. And it's shaped into a pumpkin. This is the little top of it. We get it from a different angle and a side angle. And it has some little flowers in there. I think it's really cute just to use as a table topper. And then I'm going to get into some of my Halloween things. This is a wreath that I bought, and I'm going to close in on it. It has some little jack-o'-lanterns in there, different little crystal colors and little bulbs. And this is really a pretty piece. Glittered up. I'm going to set it up so you can maybe get if it will hold up. I'm going to set it up so you can get a better look at it up. And it's just a pretty wreath. I really like this wreath. It's really nice. And let me kind of let you get a good look at that. And this is just a little bit of a picture. And I think that's really cute. Little witch's hat. be really cute. And I'll kind of go around and just put it up against the wall so you can get a better look at that. And there you have it. And so we're going to come back around and we're going to go with the black and white. This is one of the pillows I got in black and white, which they had a few little selections of the black and white. Here are some of the little kitchen cloths you can hang over your stove. And I'm going to zoom in on a picture so you can kind of see here a little bit of the picture. And then they had this one. It says thankful. That's really cute too. That is really cute. And they had some other little pieces that would match with this, such as little dishcloths that you could match up with it. I really like those. And then they had this little one here with the little witches in the car, and I'm going to open it up and kind of move the tag so you can kind of see the saying. And that's really adorable too. And they had the little stove mats to go with that. Let's kind of get the tag out of the way so you can kind of see it. And so they had that one, and then they also had the one with all the pumpkins on it as well. And so that was really cute. And then they had these little dishcloths as well. They had the little hot mitts to go with them. So I thought that was really cute. Again, everything was 75% off. And then they also had these little hot mitts. I call them hot mitts. They're used for the kitchen to pick up anything hot. And then they had this little cat. My grandbaby loves little cats, and I thought this was adorable. So I had to have this one. That was really cute. And then also too, this little plaid pumpkin. I love that. That was really cute. It goes in with the black and white. And then I'm going to swing around and show you this pillow, which also was 75% off. And I'm going to try to set it up to give you a better little view of it. Here we go. And then I'm going to show you this picture I got 75 off. This wall picture. I love it. It is really cute. And let me try to give you a good view of that. And last but not least, the Halloween costumes for the little ones. And the adults are on sale at 75% off. I picked this little one up for, I believe it was $6. It's really, really cute. And the little cover doesn't give it much justice. This little thing is really, really cute. It has some little glitter work on it. It actually has the little pants that the girl is wearing. the pants actually come with it. Like you see on the picture, those pants come with it. It's really cute. Which I was surprised, even the little t-shirt, if I can get in the inside of it, even the little t-shirt comes with it in the inside. So as you see on the picture there, that little t-shirt comes with it. Yeah, I really like that. So I want to thank you all for sharing with me to show off my fall and Halloween decor items that I picked up at Walmart. I am just so happy with everything. I feel like I got some great buys. So if you're interested in any of these things, why don't you run down to your local Walmart and check out these buys and see if you can catch you some of this 75% off items. Thank you all for tuning in, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.